Hi, I'm Amy. I'm here to show you how to change the columns in your working budget. Let's get started. In your working budget, over on the right-hand side under the Actions area, I'm going to click on Change Columns. What this is going to do is it's going to pop up, and what's going to be marked are the columns that are already in your grid by default, but these can be changed. You can customize your budget. So a lot of customers, they do want to make sure they have account type marked. They generally like to have the current year to date. That would be what is actually happening right now, so they have actual numbers to compare against budget numbers. Um, Sometimes they like to have more than one prior year opened in their budget, and that can definitely be done. And for each of those prior years, you can either choose the adopted budget or you can choose the current budget, which is the adopted budget, plus or minus any amendments or adjustments that have been enacted for those budgets. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a few more items just so that you can see. I'm going to click Save, and then my grid down at the bottom now has all of those new columns that I added to it. Now, if you decide, oh, I don't want those extras in there, I don't really need them, you can come back up here to Actions and change columns, and you can also remove columns. So you can add and remove columns all the time that it is in the working budget phase. All right. Going to stop sharing now. If you have any questions about adding columns, taking columns out, or any other questions about the budget, please don't hesitate to contact our support team. We're here to help you. Our telephone number is 806-794-3278, and our email address is fastsupport@fastsw.com. Thank you.